Artificial intelligence AI can be programmed to learn and analyze vast amounts of data, but it doesn't necessarily learn everything on its own. AI algorithms are designed to learn specific tasks, such as recognizing patterns in data, making predictions, or playing games. The ability of an AI system to learn depends on the quality and quantity of data it is trained on, as well as the design of the algorithm and the resources available to it. AI systems can learn from different sources of data, including structured data such as databases, as well as unstructured data such as text, images, and video. Machine learning algorithms can use this data to identify patterns and make predictions based on statistical analysis. Deep learning, a type of machine learning that uses neural networks, can analyze and learn from large and complex datasets, allowing it to perform tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. However, AI systems are not capable of learning everything. They are limited by the data they are trained on, the complexity of the tasks they are designed to perform, and their ability to generalize from that data to new situations. AI systems are also prone to errors and biases, which can affect their performance and results. Therefore, while AI can learn a lot, it still has its limitations and requires ongoing development and refinement to improve its capabilities. Thank you for watching.